Hi everyone, I'm Travis and let's get wanderlost. On our recent Navigator of the Seas cruise, we had an ocean view balcony on the starboard side of the ship, Deck 8, Room 228. This room had a great view from the balcony. See the time lapse of us leaving the Los Angeles harbor at the end of this video for proof. I will say we would have spent a lot more time on the balcony than we did if the weather had been nicer, but that's part of cruising in January when the weather is cold and windy. Though we did leave the balcony door open while we were relaxing in the room to allow fresh air in. I will say the furniture in this room does feel dated, as it did on Adventure of the Seas last year. There is damage to drawers and light fixtures, and the carpet had a decent amount of stains on it. I will say the couch was definitely more comfortable than the couch on Adventure of the Seas. However, there are only 2 United States outlets and 1 European outlet in the main living area, with absolutely no outlets or plugs near the bed. We would suggest bringing additional outlets with you or buying some sort of charging station for your electronic devices. There is a decent amount of storage if you're one of those folks that likes to unpack on a cruise. There is also a safe and a refrigerator in the room, with additional shelves in the closet, along with a lot of space to hide your luggage. The bathroom is very basic, which is pretty standard for the era of the Voyager class ships. There is a shaver outlet above the sink, and in the shower there is a single dispenser for both shampoo and body wash. Also in the shower is a clothesline to hang up your wet clothes. We enjoyed being on Deck 8 as it was only 3 floors above the promenade and only 3 floors below the windjammer. This made for easy access to both of those high traffic areas, especially if you weren't using the elevators like we weren't. We also didn't get any of the noise from the pool deck area, which is on Deck 11 and Deck 12. Overall, the room was comfortable, but we will say it does need some updates in the future. Now enjoy the time lapse of us leaving the Los Angeles harbor from our balcony on Deck 8. overall we enjoyed this cabin on Navigator of the Seas, found it very comfortable, and enjoyed the view from the balcony. If you have any questions regarding this stateroom or anything else about Navigator of the Seas, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, please make sure you remember to like and subscribe.